How to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So first is go to your browser. I am using Microsoft Edge, so let's go open that. Type in the ChatGPT, and if you see this message, the ChatGPT is at capacity right now, which basically means that there are a lot of people who are trying to access the website as of the moment. So what we need to do is refresh it, and as you can see, I can now log in. But if you do this, it may not work as soon as you refresh it once. It can show that the ChatGPT is at capacity again several times, so it's gonna be just pure luck. Sometimes it's gonna load on your first refresh, and sometimes it may take you several clicks before this thing works. So when login appears, go log in, and now you're logged in and you can use ChatGPT. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.